The Woodworker's Bible, a comprehensive guide to woodworking for the beginner, is a video series that provides a complete overview of the tools, techniques, and materials needed to become a skilled woodworker. This video series is designed for individuals who are new to woodworking or those who want to improve their skills. The series covers a wide range of topics, including an introduction to the basic tools and equipment used in woodworking, an explanation of different types of wood and how to select the right one for your project, and detailed instructions on various woodworking techniques such as cutting, sanding, and finishing. Additionally, the series provides tips and tricks to help you improve your skills and become a more efficient and effective woodworker. The guide is easy to follow and is divided into different segments that cover different topics, making it easy for you to find the information you need. Thanks for joining us for the first video of the Woodworker's Bible, a comprehensive guide to woodworking. We hope you found this overview of the guide informative and are excited to continue on this journey of learning and improving your woodworking skills. In the next video, we'll be diving into the basic tools and equipment every woodworker should have in their arsenal. Remember, practice makes perfect, so don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and start working on your own projects. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future videos in this series. See you next time.